Hi, it's John Cunningham with eXp Realty, and today we're going to talk about energy audits and why they're important and how they can be helpful to you. As I mentioned, we're going to talk about energy audits and how they can be helpful to you. First thing that comes to mind is right now we're in the solar craze. Every time I drive down the street, I see solar panels everywhere. Everybody's getting them, everybody's doing it. And I would just say that's a great thing, and it's a great thing to aspire to. But I think an energy audit should come first, and here's why. When they audit your house, first of all, the cost to do so is extremely inexpensive, usually under $100. Secondly, the data that comes from that audit is incredible. You'll find all sorts of information that will help make your home more efficient so that when you do get those solar panels up on your roof, you may need fewer solar panels because your home has become a lot more efficient. So here are two really good tips for making your house more energy efficient without spending a lot of money at all. Number one, if you've got old incandescent bulbs in your house, those things run really hot to the touch. They heat up the air, make your air conditioner work a lot harder, and they're just not efficient. They were great for a couple hundred years, but they're no longer efficient. Switch them out to LED bulbs. And those bulbs will last a lot longer, draw a lot less energy, and they're cool to the touch. They don't get really hot. Next is change out your weather stripping around your doors. Make sure the thresholds are tight up against the bottom of the doors and there are no air gaps around your exterior doors. Now, a word of caution, I would not do those things if I were you until you have your energy audit. That way, when they measure your home for its efficiency, they can see where it stands now and then come back later and measure again after you've made the changes to your home. It's really a cool process, and you'll learn a lot about your home. If you'd like to know anything else about energy audits or making your home more efficient, or you have a real estate topic that you'd like me to cover in my videos, please let me know and I'd be happy to do that. I'm John Cunningham with eXp Realty. Thank you.